Hello and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be finishing on the Viking knit bracelet. We have quite a bit to do, so let's get started. Before soldering, you always want to make sure that the pieces you are trying to join are clean, or the solder might not flow. I kept pushing the solder a little too hard, and it kept pushing the piece away from what I was trying to solder it to. Out of the pool! Always watch the tip of your flame. Almost melted that spiral. When I went to start cleaning this, it actually pulled off, so we are resoldering it and making sure that it is nice and tight. Alright, I'm going to be showing you the grit sizes, just so then you guys know what I'm using at that present moment. And you always want to go from the coarsest or roughest size, which is the lower numbers, to a more fine grit, which is the higher numbers, so then you can make sure that you don't leave any scratch marks behind. 1200 is the finest sandpaper that I have, other than my emery paper. So basically, we went from 1200 to emery paper. That's what this blue paper is. And now, of course, a polishing cloth. And then we'll be done. Well, that is all the time that we have for today. Wait, what am I saying? We are done. I mean, I'm probably going to be putting it in the ultrasonic cleaner once I'm home, but this project is complete. I hope that you all enjoyed watching this process, and hopefully we all learned a thing or two. I know every day that I'm getting better. Some has to do with practice, but there's a fair amount of quality that comes from having the proper tools. In any case, I'm not sure exactly what we're doing next week, but I hope that you all will join me. And I really hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button. And if you really liked it and want to see more projects from me, then hit the subscribe button and the bell. So then you'll be notified whenever I put out an episode. I am trying to do 3 episodes a week, 2 of my Knitting with Metal live episodes, and of course the Sunday episode, which is the jewelry and, that type of thing, the mainly jewelry stuff. And remember, if I get 50 likes on this episode, next week I'll be putting out a 4th episode around Wednesday. So I hope that you all get excited about that, and I hope that you all have a wonderful evening.